Hey YouTube, it's Claudia Statlander from Keller Williams Realty. How are you? I am in Garner right now. I am meeting the photographer. We are having an open house on Saturday from 1 to 3, March 1st. And I just want to give you a little sneak peek of what we got going on in here. It's got neutral colors, new carpeting. Such a sweet screen porch. Come on, come with me. Here's a screen porch. Listen to the birds chirping. Cardinal. Did I tell you I'm a bird nerd? Anyway, we'll walk in the kitchen. Look at that. Storage shed at the back. And this one over here, there's another storage shed. But just kind of give a come with me. Bathroom. We've seen this already, dining room. And then over here is a laundry room. I'm excited. If you have any questions or if you have somebody looking to buy or sell in Garner, North Carolina, let me know. Running upstairs real quick. Stay with me. There's 3 bedrooms up here. Owner's suite. Of course, this is not a bedroom. This is the bathroom. I hope nobody's getting dizzy from this. I think I might be dizzy. And here, another bedroom. You can do your little yoga pose in there. Oversized master, nice size. Let's see, here we go. We're almost out of time. Let's go. Dual vanities. March 1st, it's Claudia Statlander. Come and see me.